We divide 851 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we put down this 5 and it is 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 1 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 851 divided by 5 is 170 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.